a music profile on your F profile. Before I start, click subscribe button, click the bell, and like. Thanks for your time. First, update your FB app to see all features. Click Play Store to update your F app. Please follow me. Click search and type Facebook and search, or click F. Update your F if not updated your F app. If you are done to update your F, click open. Next, click the hamburger menu or 3 lines here. Next, click your profile. Next, scroll down and find your music. Here is your music. Click here. Next, click plus sign to add music. Choose your favorite music. To play the music, click play icon. If you do not find your favorite music, click search and type the title your favorite music. If you find your favorite music, click the picture to check its music. Go back to your profile. Back again to your music. Here is your favorite music. To add your favorite music, click 3 dots. Did you see the 2 options? Click pin to profile. You're done. Back to your profile. So see your favorite music. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and like. Thanks for watching.